Self-discipline. It's the magic ingredient in the recipe for success. It's the driving force that propels you towards your goals. Hi, I am Alpela. Welcome to my channel. Self-discipline is the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. Think of it like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it gets. The more you practice self-control, the easier it becomes to resist temptations. Self-discipline unlocks a world of possibilities. Achieve those long-held dreams. Shape your life with intention and focus. Unlock the extraordinary within you. If you are new here and you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly click on the subscribe button below. Remember to like, share, and put in your comments in the comment section. Thank you. Let's be real for a moment. We've all been there. The allure of that extra episode, the snooze button calling our name, the siren song of procrastination. We set grand goals with the best intentions, only to find ourselves slipping back into old habits. The struggle with self-control and consistency is universal. But don't be discouraged. Recognizing these struggles is the first step towards overcoming them. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Setting clear goals is crucial. Vague aspirations lead to vague outcomes. Get specific. Define what you want to achieve and set realistic timelines. Break down those big goals into smaller, more manageable steps. This makes the journey less daunting and more achievable. Each small win fuels your motivation and keeps you moving forward. Write down your goals and track your progress. Visualizing your journey helps you stay focused and motivated. It's like having a roadmap to guide you towards your destination. Remember, progress, not perfection, is the key. Celebrate your achievements along the way, no matter how small. Acknowledge your efforts and appreciate how far you've come. Section 4. The power of routine. Routines are the invisible architecture of self-discipline. They provide structure, reduce decision fatigue, and automate good habits. Start by establishing simple morning and evening routines. Consistency is key. Stick to your routines as much as possible, even on weekends. This helps solidify those neural pathways and make self-discipline a natural part of your life. Create a dedicated workspace free from distractions. Having a designated area for work or study helps signal to your brain that it's time to focus. Minimize distractions by silencing notifications and putting away tempting gadgets. Remember, building lasting routines takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself. Experiment with different approaches and find what works best for you. Section 5. Stay accountable. Stay consistent. Accountability is a powerful tool for maintaining discipline. Share your goals with someone you trust, a friend, family member, or mentor. Consider joining a group or finding an accountability partner. Knowing that someone else is aware of your goals and is cheering you on can provide an extra layer of motivation. Regularly review your progress and make adjustments as needed. Life is dynamic and your goals and routines should be flexible enough to adapt to changing circumstances. Don't be afraid to course correct or fine-tune your approach along the way. Remember, self-discipline is a journey, not a destination. It's about making conscious choices every day that align with your values and aspirations. So embrace the journey, celebrate your progress, and never underestimate the incredible power you have to shape your own destiny. If you find this topic inspiring and you love video like this, you can watch more videos. In our channel, join the community and subscribe. Also, drop your experience about self-discipline. Thank you and see you in our next video. Bye for now.